Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Wonders they say shall never end. See, as we dey see am, the thing they play for our eyes, we dey see am like this, crow. It happens that I was walking along the streets of social media and I come across something that is so interesting. Hey, wetin be that say Biafra they don't get their own satellite. Hey, this one na news wey be say a lot of people did not see this coming. Hey, but trust progress the analyst I tell una before say everything una go see am for you. So let me not talk too much. Listen and I will be right back. Share this video. Thank you.
Watch the video. 17 and the channels on this particular satellite. Alright. The frequency we'll be using for this satellite is 11718 V 30,000. 11718 V 30,000. So I'll just impute it right now. 11718 V, then 30,000. 11718, then polarization vertical, that's V, symbol rate is 30,000. 30,000. So I'll just leave my tracking device where I can see it easily. Alright. So like we will always do in our videos, from any point that you are, right? We are turning left, we'll turn right, we're turning left, turn right, turn left, turn right. Alright, so from this very point, let's go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Alright, if it doesn't come, we have to increase our elevation. Using elevation and increase. Alright, losing, then take it up a bit. Take it up a bit. Yeah, everything is tight. Let me just. Alright. Then go left. Go left. Go right. In case you don't know where your east is, you can go 360 degrees right there. Around. Go left. Go right. It doesn't come. We're increasing elevation. Again, tighten. Go left. Go right. Go left. Go right. It doesn't come. Let's increase elevation. Once again, yeah, tighten. We're going left. We'll go right. Go left. Go right. Doesn't come. Let's increase elevation by. Okay. We just increase elevation, right? Until it comes. Well, go left. Go right. Go left, go right. If it doesn't come, then we are going to increase the elevation one more time. All right, let's go left. Okay, I think that was the signal just now. Okay, the signal is just close here. Okay, that's a signal. Signal 71%. All right. Make sure your dish is firm. Tighten your dish so that it's firm. All right, that's it. Yeah, that is a signal information. Right, so I'll just run a scan now. Let's see the channels that are on this. I'll just run a TP scan. There are other frequencies on this very particular satellite. I think I'll just run a few of them. All right, let me run these and I'll run. Okay, okay. Let's see those channels. Let's see if we can run more. Okay. Okay, I'll just run another 12217. Vertical 30,000. Right, I'll just run a scan on this. Let's see what happens. Alright. So you can just run a blind scan.
So, my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Don't forget to like the video, share, and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst as I bring the update back to back. See, when I come across this update today, I could not resist it. I said, no, my people need to see this, because at times a lot of things happen, but people go see the tossing na lie, not be true. You dey see am koro, you go see dey say na lie. So there are many people that are not aware say they don launch this satellite for Biafra, say they don get their own personal satellite also. A lot of people go still dey doubt. So hence I say make I bring her come here, because when I upload another video wey look similar, when they talk about this satellite, a lot of people go say, Progress the Analyst, you dey lie. Which Biafra launch her satellite wey we don't know. Now here we dey, na make me bring her come. You na trust Progress the Analyst. No leave, no transfer. I dey here for now. So do me a favor to share this video, like and subscribe. See you when I see you. Bye.